Tara na, tara na. Tara na, Goy.
Take away the flowers that you gave me and send the kind that you remind me of. Baby roses, baby roses. Oh, how real those roses seem to be. But they're only imitation, like your imitation of love for me. I thought that you would be perfect love.
Ayan, guys.
This is the home of the best remixes in the Philippines. Boss. DJ C.D.M and DJ Jensen. Team Pentakill.
Tatlo pa lang yan, guys. Apating ko yan. Panagawa ng ano.
With you here by my side, I'm in ecstasy. I am all alone without you. My days are dark without a glimpse of you. But now that you came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, the morning shines, and I can see.
We now mix club. Boss.
Love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Love is like the river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside. Every time I hear our music play, reminds me of the things that we've been through. In my mind, I can't believe it's true.
Guys, salamat sa panonood. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at like at i-share.